Hello, and welcome to Sleep Better Maryland. Snoring is a very common problem in nearly half of all the men and about 1/3 of all women. It can put a strain on your relationship with your spouse, forcing them to lose sleep at night or even forcing the snorer to sleep in another room. Snoring, however, can be a sign of a much greater problem, and one that can even be life-threatening: obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring is caused when the passages of your throat are narrowed and the soft palate, tongue, and throat begin to vibrate. Frequent and loud snoring may be a sign of sleep apnea, a serious disorder in which your breathing repeatedly stops and starts as you sleep. Not everyone who has sleep apnea snores, and not every person who snores has sleep apnea. The biggest sign that you might have sleep apnea is how you feel during the day. You may feel fatigued, extremely tired, or have a hard time concentrating. If you feel you might have sleep apnea, the first thing you must do is get a sleep study done and get a diagnosis from a certified sleep doctor. If you need help in taking the next step to getting a restful and restorative night's sleep, call our office today to schedule an appointment with Dr. Parmore at 443-535-6989, and you will be glad you did.